Well, congratulations on completing your final speech. It's time now to reflect. I think you'll have to admit that you've overcome a lot of any hesitancies you might have had about public speaking, especially on camera. You've made great progress. You've also learned about lighting, audio, camera placement, and how to present yourself, at least in those fundamental areas, to the best possible advantage. You'll continue to work on eye contact. We all work on that. And as you go forward in your career, you're going to continue to work on communication skills all of your life, actually, but especially in business. And there'll be other things to learn about good communication and what it means to your future. You've made an excellent start. I want to congratulate you and wish you all good fortune. Take care.